Okay, hello, welcome to another flight. So my today we are flying at Panighata. It's a nice place, nice beautiful place, nice background. Everything is quite beautiful about here. I don't have to worry about birds and all those stuffs out right now. So my compass is calibrated and I have checked I am in non-restricted airspace, so I can fly it freely. So let me just take off and let's see what we can find. And here it goes. So I'm gonna start the recording now, and recording started. So that's the stream that you can see. I'm gonna pitch a bit here, pitch the gimbal a bit up, increase the altitude to around 25 meters. Yeah, 30 meters looks good. And now let's fly towards those areas. I just need to be a bit careful about the high tension wires, which I can see in the background, but that's fine as long as I stay above those. I don't know why I'm facing this lag. Anyway, let's see what we can find. So there are these stream. Let me increase the flight a bit to around 35 meters, which looks good because I'm facing a bit of signal interference. Might be because of the high tension wires, which is okay, not a big deal. So it's a quite beautiful place out there, you know. I'm gonna go up to like 300 meters on this side, and then I'm gonna return back and see what more we can find. Let me pitch the gimbal down. This is a nice place, man. It's a beauty out here. So nice. So I'm gonna bit more. I need to be careful about the birds, definitely. Let me take it to this side. So I think this is a forest area, so I don't want to go about the forest because that is not legal. So that's us, I guess. You know what, I cannot even find us right now. Oh, that's us. So let's head to these areas. So that's the bridge through which we have come. That's a beautiful little stream. I'm gonna go over the bridge and fly to those areas. This place is actually quite beautiful. My battery percentage looks quite okay, which is around 84%, and there's a dog out here. Hello. So that's us. That's my car, you can see. I'm gonna go above the road. Let me just check whether there are any high tension wires or not. Oh, looks cool. So I'm good. I can hear a very faint sound. I need to increase altitude a bit. Let me head to this area, to the road. That's the road. Through which I have come. I was said that this particular junction looks quite beautiful. So let me see what I can see from above. This indeed looks beautiful. Yeah, man, it's quite beautiful out here. I'm facing a lot of interference. So I'm gonna come back to us. I mean to our place. I'm gonna fly overhead us. And now I'm gonna head towards this direction. A bit. There was a bit of signal lag that I noticed when I was flying over the road. So definitely I want to be a bit careful. I'm not facing the wind much. Which is pretty much fine. So these are, I think, small roads within this industry, I mean this agricultural lands. I'm gonna head back towards a position, but before I head back, let me see what more I can find in this beautiful. It's not like a everyday thing that we find such a beautiful place to explore, you know. So we should be definitely explore. Yeah, I like exploring, and definitely when you're exploring with a drone, you tend to cover a lot more kilometers. Not kilometers, you tend to cover a lot more distance using a drone rather than using by foot or by car. So I am gonna head towards that area which I was thinking to go previously, but I did not. So let me fly over the bridge to those areas. I think the exposure is okay. I think I don't have any high tension wires. That's pretty much good. My battery around 69%. That's us. That's a lot. That's a beautiful view. Everything, as I said earlier also, like everything looks far beautiful from up above, you know. It looks so beautiful, so wonderful. I'm just gonna focus on the road a bit and see how it looks. Oh man, that's the sun, so it's gonna blur my lens. So I'm gonna take this angle of it. That looks so awesome. Looks so it goes in the forest. So this place is like we have forests on one side and we have the stream that goes in between, and on the other side of the stream we have these agricultural lands and to some extent the tea plantations. Let me decrease the exposure a bit. Sorry, I mean increase, and see the mountains is also visible. Let me come over us and see, that's the stream. Hey guys, you can look up. You can look up. You can look up. The drone is directly over your head. The drone is directly over your head. You can look up. Just wave. Okay, so that's the drone. I mean, that's us. That's a nice revealing view that we have. Nice mountains, a stream, forest. That's literally awesome, you know. Some awesome view. So let me bring it down now. No, I'm not going to come in the water. Okay, now I'm not able to find us. I think I need to use a compass. Okay, that's us. So let me just come down. So there are a couple of guys out here who are playing songs. So I might, you know, I just want to try to avoid the songs, otherwise I'll get a copyright issue. So that's the drone out there. Hello. Yeah, I saw that. So that's the drone. Let me see what all shots I can take. That's my friends out there. So that's a beautiful flight, you know. It's a beautiful flight. It's a beautiful short flight. Not much of a not much of landscape. I can see a lot of dragonflies attacking my drone. So that's me. Hi there. So I have come in my car. So those are my friends Dipankar and Sandeep, who has accompanied me, and that's a dog who is accompanying us, I think so. So I will try to take some cinematic shots. My batteries are 48%, so I'm gonna use this to take some cinematic shots, and then I'll get back to you. So this will be a good video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will meet you in another flight. See you soon.